Welcome to the Rowlf the Dog and BFDI Plush show. Just no, all those pieces on your freaking crazy cake. Oh man, you're joking. You're joking. I can't believe my eyes. You're joking me. You gotta be. This can't be the. Will you stop singing that song? Why? Because it's, I don't know, just whatever. But I like singing my song. Get your pieces if you sing that song. Oh, I'm coughing. Oh man, this dude is coughing. I cannot stop. Oh man, those explosive pieces. What is wrong with this man? He got the. You might have to get the pieces and your pieces. Okay, man, I'm about to the ring. Okay, let's get my camera into this. Hi everybody, come on, get me 16. You are not the right man. Are those the kind of pieces and what am I doing in this show? Get off! All these the kind of poops and oh no, you go Boogie 86. POV, if Oogie Boogie was Judith Barsi. Okay. Here I am as Judith Barsi. Okay, let me try again. You should not eat talking trees. Nope, nope, nope. And what in the other freaks is this? You sound just like Mr. Carface. All this the pieces off. Not again with the Judith Barsi as Oogie Boogie imitation. Get off of my television show. You have pieces. I will get your folks if you don't even taste. Little H-Stain. Louis Armstrong. This is wrong. I need your folks.